So exciting time. Got this ice storm rolling through, you know, the entire upper Midwest. And I did buy propane for the generator, but I did not get it set up in time. So here we are. So I'm going to take you along on this adventure, and we're going to have a great time. Buckle up. All right, we're going to pretend you can see what I'm seeing, because I have no earthly idea, nor am I capable of checking at this point in time. Good thing is not everything's frozen. There we go. Ah, generator, we'll be seeing you here in a minute. Okay. One minor shortcoming I have with my generator, oh god, that's a GoPro, with my generator setup, is the fact that I don't have a house for it to live in when I'm using it. And of course, most of the time that you need to use a generator, it's because the weather sucks. I'm gonna try to put this hood on, but not over the GoPro. There we go. So, I should probably figure out a house for my generator to live in. Oh gosh, don't do that. So that it can be used when weather is inclement. I mean, I can only be prepared for so many things, I suppose, but you'd think this would be one of them. Generator house. Oh god. What's going on here? Here we go. Generator house halfway constructed. Now, see if I can pull this off by myself. I'm sure you can see the freezing rain. I imagine that's relatively obvious to the untrained eye of the viewer. So odds on whether this is going to be completely collapsed in on itself by morning, I think pretty good. Come on. You have to get her semi nice and tight so it doesn't pick up. Yeah, that's a problem. Doesn't pick up. Try to hope it will shed as much water as possible. Doesn't start, oops, sorry, caving in on itself, because that will absolutely end its little life. All right, let's get under here and do the fun part. I typically probably wouldn't even do this, but just knowing how much weight is going to be on this thing, I'm not super excited about leaving it to its own devices out here. I want to give it every fighting chance it has. It's going to be getting covered in Lord only knows how many pounds of ice tonight. Maybe I should put a poll in the comments. Should I build a house for my generator? If it's not a resounding yes, I don't know what's wrong with y'all. If generator had a cute little, you know, 3-bed, 1-bath bungalow, we'd already have power. But no. All right. Hood engaged. Okay. Let's remove all this garbage. All my... If you tune into my other videos, you know I cook a lot of things outside. Now all my cooking stuff is in the way of my power generation. So that's exciting. That's a piece of a cooking device. We'll just slide you in there. Are we gonna get lucky? I'm gonna have to move all this. Oh yeah! Moving everything. Having a great time. Maybe. Shovel. Haha! We have discovered a generator. Oh, good lord. Okay. this back. Put this back. Gonna need you later. Put this back. Put this back. Oh God, something fell down, I'm afraid. I hope you can see. This is gonna be a complete waste. All right, we're gonna go get this hooked up, and then we'll take it in the house. And hello, vehicle. All right. Okie dokie. We're gonna hook in this end right now before we lose it. That's wet, that's probably safe. Darcy blows. All right. Speaking of blows, this is a great time. There's no better time than to hook up a generator than in the middle of a thunderstorm or an ice storm or just a storm in general. I mean, what better time to enjoy a little bit of nature than right now? You know what? We're gonna have to get a little elevation on this bed unit. Come here. As nimble and tiny as I may be, man, I'm basically a gymnast, but being able to stand up under this thing would be fantastic. Thankfully, we have the technology, just not the intelligence. Oh my Lord. Okay. So that's there. We're gonna save big boy propane tank for later. We're gonna use a little guy for now, which I tucked over here, of course, where I can't get to it. Why would I put it somewhere smart knowing the power is very likely gonna go out? I've found that these little guys give me, well, they gave me 5 hours in the summer when the AC was running, and these do run the AC, believe it or not. This generator does. On propane, it's 10,800 starting watts, 8550 running. And it pretty much ran the whole house in the summer, which is pretty nice. This time, I'm hoping, since we're just running the electricity of a gas boiler, here, I'm gonna set that on a piece of wood. Just running the electrical components of a gas boiler and not a whole AC unit, it'll be a little happier. I do have mini splits in my office and the walk-through dining room, but they'll be fine. All right, I'm gonna fire this guy up and then go switch in the basement. So, because I can't help myself and I'm smart, I don't feel like buying another one of these. We're gonna check oil real fast. I changed it. Oh yeah, she's ready to work. Come on, find the threads or cross them. I don't even care at this point. Hey, that little feller's missing. That's probably not a good thing. We're gonna have to figure that out. I don't think having a positive, no, it's a DC still. I don't think having a bare positive terminal is a good idea on a generator. All right, so choke, engage, on, e-start, wait, gas, already on. I'm smartish. Choke's over here, and we're ripping. Woo! All right, let's meet at the panel. Hi, buddy. Will you stay with mommy so I could flip the power? Hi, buddy. I'll be right back, buddy. Yeah, stay with mommy. Come here, buddy. Come here, Apollo. I'll be right back, buddy. No, Apollo, get back. Puppies always try to help, don't they? They're so stinking cute. But they also have razor sharp teeth. And that's less cute. Okay, so main off. Ugh. Let's just turn some, I like to do this slowly, so let's just turn all the stuff off. What is 5? I don't even know. Don't need this, that's the air handler. We'll leave that on. All right, here we go. Hey, let there be light. We're gonna turn on just all kinds of stuff. I don't even know what I'm turning on. Just everything. What is this? Electric range. We're gonna leave that off. So everything is on, except for the AC air handler, which isn't getting turned on anyway, and the electric range. Everything else I think is cooking.
Yay, Daddy!
Nothing.
Hi, Daddy!
I love you. You're a star.
Oh. Look, there's lights and everything. It's all semi-happy. It's a lot of water. I don't love that. It is what it is, though. All right. That tank's next. Man, I wish I would have filled it today. It's a 30 pounder, but I don't know, that's probably got 10-15% gone. Anyway, oh, look at that hair. Woo, spicy. Thanks for checking out my crazy video. Hopefully the power comes back soon. I guess the power company says, I mean, it's 7:30 p.m. right now. It says like 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. We don't have to deal with it that long, but you know, tree came down across the line somewhere. Big surprise. Appreciate you checking out the video. If I do throw any more video at the end of this, because there's more nighttime excitement, I will. If not, thanks for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, comment, YouTube stuff. You know, keep YouTube algorithm happy so I can show even more of you the fantastic insanity that befalls my life. Been great seeing you. Catch you in the next one. Thanks.